Hey everybody, hope that you all are having a wonderful and a blessed day today. I definitely am. So you guys already read the title. In today's video we will be doing basically my family's tradition of what we do every December with each other. So every December we choose a different theme of what we're gonna do. We either have a movie day, we'll play games, we'll do gingerbread houses, decorate cookies, have a little party or whatever. So this year what we're going to be doing is I got them all gingerbread houses. 2 years ago we did gingerbread house party where cooked little things, and then we did gingerbread houses, and then the following year we did just cookies, we decorated cookies. This year we will be doing gingerbread houses. My older boys aren't really gonna do a gingerbread house, but they're gonna help their younger siblings do their gingerbread houses, as well as I will be helping as well. And we will be doing cookies as well, decorating cookies. And we'll probably do some Christmas movies, even though we have been watching Christmas movies all month anyway, so really that's and we're gonna play little games or whatever, do maybe musical chairs or something like that. With the little kids, I'm gonna make a learning game for them, a sight word game or something, learning wise. Yeah, we're just gonna have a good fun day. And I did want to take Christmas pictures by the tree today, but I'm thinking that we might do that next weekend. We might do that instead, or we might just squeeze it in today. It doesn't matter, either way we're gonna do it. I'm deciding if I want to have my hair straightened for Christmas or keep it curly. I don't know, I just been feeling my curls lately. And I don't have, this is no product in my hair at all, you guys. This is basically all subject of the whole video, talking about my hair, but yeah, you guys get the point. So yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. I'm just gonna let my hair curly. I'm in my mind right now. I'm gonna leave my hair curly for the holidays. I'm going into next year curl, natural. My hair's naturally curly. We're gonna keep like that. Just gonna do cute little hairstyle like I today. Something cute, something light. All right, so I did order some stuff to come to the house for that little party for them. I'm just waiting on my 3-year-old gingerbread house. And I got just a couple more items. I think I bought donuts, some pasta because I want to make a pasta salad. They want hot dogs, so I'm gonna make the little ones hot dogs, make burgers as well, some french fries, and maybe some wings, something like that. We'll do it later on, so that's a part of dinner for them, little buffet. But yeah, so we're just gonna hop into the video, and I'm gonna do what I have to do right now, and then just get prepared for later on. But then, so hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy our little festivities, and comment down below what is your tradition that you do with your family, whether you celebrate Christmas or not. You celebrate Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrate, what's your tradition that you guys do every year. So yeah, and also I hope that you guys have a happy holidays this year, and just have a wonderful New Year's as well. If I don't post any new videos, just want to say that. But yeah, so see you guys in a few.
No.
It's arts and crafts time.
Open your time.
Say hi, Sha.